Japan.
Sa natin yan.
Good morning. Good afternoon na pala. Hinihintay ng mga bata. Para kayong maigi, ha? Kasi magsisikap ako. Kaya tingnan mo yun. At 2 minutes.
Chairman.
Kung gusto nyo, doon kayo. Doon na lang kayo. Sorry. Rektora, lagyan mo. We just last Monday, no? I'm sorry. Paul? Okay. Kasi siya na kayo at minadali ko kagad ko.
Thank you, Paul, ha?
Last night, about 7 o'clock, even Batangas pala in the past experienced the same hardship with Jet. But they went it up to 500. Now, with the new leadership of Jet, hopefully, they'll come to their senses and logical mind that they cannot operate with that kind of head-on with the universities. Masabi ko naman, kasi commitment ko kay President sa kay Chairman, ay paralang dito sa today, I would like to inform you through the airport and the taxpayers of Manila are happy to inform you that we are going to give top water. That is a total amount of 170 different departments. Your chairman and your president went to me about a week or 2 weeks ago. Dala na nag-aalala sila na si Presidente, si Chairman, wala na talaga kayo. I mean, nasagad na kayo. I made some commitment and also the other commitment with regard to the long 8-year struggle of PLM with regard to CHED. Sabi ko, nakapunta ako ng Malacanang, sasabihin ko yung papayuan na, which I did. I was there, kailan tayo doon sa Malacanang Tuesday? Monday. I spoke to ES, Ralph Recto, to call the attention of Sheikh na kung po pwede, hindi naman nangihingi ng malaki yung PLM. But to make it at par with the OPEX, kasi lumang-luma na, 200 plus per unit, ang standard na is 1.2. The good thing about it is that even Batangas pala in the past experienced the same hardship with Jet. But they went it up to 500. Now, with the new leadership of Jet, hopefully, they'll come to their senses and logical mind that PLM cannot operate with that kind of allotment. Sabi ko, ako, basta ang goal, 1-2. But anything above 200 will be grateful. Because, Mr. Secretary, the cost of operation continue to grow. With the standardization, the increment, step increment, and all other things. And the inflation cost of materials being bought for the operation, medyo mag-catch up na ba? Naintindihan naman ni EES. Sabi ko, baka pwede naman na tawagan ng pansin yung chair. Anyway, nagbibigay nga sila ng pera ng over payment sa bundok ng tralala. Nowhere to be found. When I look back, when there is somebody who's producing individual who will be part of the nation building approach. PLM is comparatively and competitively head-on or with the top universities in the country. Nasabi ko naman, kasi commitment ko kay President sa akin, Chairman, may pararating ko sa kanya. Plus the fact that you are going to operate with the existing resources until March. After that, wala na. Todas na PLM. That I cannot sleep. Kaya nga ang panawagan ko talaga sa taxpayers to really help us. At sisinupin ko naman to ipapalit nila. And one of your staff was present during the regular Monday directional meeting. Okay, talaga. We'll move everything. Napagalaman ko 2 days ago na yung in-increment kong yung panahon ng first term kong mayor went from 250 went to 330. Kung nawala ako, ibinagsak ng 220 ang binibigay sa inyo. Tapos hindi pa naibigay yung 6 na quarter. Talagang no wonder your president and your chairman is really moving heaven and earth to ask for any assistance. Now, thanks to the taxpayer who responded to our call na tulungan tayo sa sitwasyon. It's not about blaming the past, but it's also confronting the present. So, because of that, kagabi, nasa opisina pa kami, mag-alas 7. Sir, meron na po tayong update sa akin. Kasi medyo mabigat. Mabigat talaga, kasi wala naman ako ito ng December. Pumasok lang ito January. And in fairness, we wanted to be true to our commitment to focus on MBN, minimum basic needs, education, healthcare, housing, and jobs. And we wanted to give some moral booster to the PLM family. Sipag tong dalawang to. We're here today to assure you guys, members of the board, the regents, the deans, the professors, and the students, that your city is backing you up. Today, I would like to inform you through the effort of the taxpayers of Manila, we're happy to inform you that we are going to give 2 quarters.
Yeah.
That is a total amount of 117 million. Ito yung naalala ninyo ng pagbuko ko, wala tayong kapera-pera, pero delayed na yung first quarter, second quarter, yung third quarter, binigay yung 58. Kaya ngayon, i-update ko yung 4th quarter plus may extra pa kayo 1 quarter. Tapos, makikita pa tayo sa April for the current. I will give regularly the current. We will continue to be on time and on the and we will continue to go back to the previous obligation. So you tell your people your community, the PLM community, that the city government today, this administration, will not let you down. We'll do our best. Tapos, dahil binaba kayo ng those Gs from 330, kasi bago ako mag-mayor, 250 na yan eh. Tapos, matapos ako mag-mayor, umabot na yun sa 300 plus. I'll go back to the same increment as we progress with time. Chairman, unti-unti ko ulit rin yung PLM from the local government of and that situation with the Executive Secretary Ralph Recto is just the beginning of those many meetings that we are going to call the attention of them to do their duty, to perform responsibly and efficiently. Tugunan nila yung pangangailangan at yung kanilang responsibilidad sa mga ganitong kaso. O kita ninyo sa labas ninyo, naka-display na naman yung mga top notch yun. Diba? Ba't hindi ka kailangan? Diba? Di ba lalo kang oo, diba? Worth every penny. If you're a taxpayer of Manila, it's worth every penny. So, dito, ay, ballpen na.
Okay na po, boss, na firma.
Pirma na, si Led na lang. Led, kaya pala na mawala. Mainit-init pa po. Eh, pasensya na kayo, pinigla ko kayo kasi ayaw kong patagalin because the person of your president and the chairman is really making me sleepless night.
Mr. President, talaga eh. Mr. President, may iba sana event dyan si Secret kasi birthday niya. Alam ko.
So, Mr. President, the people of Manila and the taxpayer of the city of Manila is happy to extend and to show continued support of this administration in prioritizing education for our kids, for our people. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
I'm happy for you.
Ako ay excited. Para po sa mga bata.
Babalik pa ako ng April.
O ganito ho kami lagi niya, bubulatin nyo kami. Okay lang kami bulatin. Ibalyo kami bulatin lagi.
Kailang gisingin.
Oo, kahit gabi.
Mukhang sa February may
Kinisip ng gabi.
Nag-commit talaga ako sa kanilang dalawa. Sabi ko, sige, hayaan mo, pagkagawa ko ng paraan. But I'm happy with Paul and Jonathan.
Salamat Paul, salamat Jonathan, and salamat Jeff.
Sa mayor na yung ano ng pamamatasan natin.
Yung aming Jonathan.
Okay.
Jordan natin.
Masaya ako. Masaya kahit may idea.
Ito lang, ikaw muna tiyan.
Salamat.
Bakit check
Okay, sino muna? Sir.
Babalik ko sa iyo.
Sir, doon po muna, sa kabila. Sa akin naman po, dito po. Okay, 1, 2.
Rappers. Good luck.
Thank you, maraming salamat po. Oo.